Okay, so you've made it to this video and you feel confident that you're not ugly. But I have a hunch, by the end of this video, y'all motherfuckers finna leave crying.
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, do what, dee da, dee da, dee da. Do what, do da, dee da, do da, dee da. Do what, do da, dee da, do da.
These are the signs that you're ugly as fuck. If you are a mother and your own baby is scared of you, you's ugly as fuck. If someone so happens to accidentally film you and you are on their camera, and then when they go back to view the footage and they try to pause on your face and the device simply won't pause on that place because it is scared, you're gonna shut down its system and its software and just completely fail, then you's ugly as fuck. If every time you go out in public and ambulances are always being called on you because people think that you've been attacked by a lion, then you's ugly as fuck. If your grandma do not claim you as her grandchild because your face reminds her of her wrinkly ass crack, then you's ugly as fuck. If your face simply looks like a booty hole, you's ugly as fuck. If you open up Snapchat and decide to take a picture and try to use one of those filters and they do not work because they can't find your face because your face does not look like a face, then you's ugly as fuck. If your teacher never calls on you, you's ugly as fuck. You a big silverback gorilla looking motherfucker. If Earth had just been invaded by aliens and they've killed every human off, but they leave you because you look like one of their leaders, then you are ugly as fuck. If random wolves come up to you and start howling at you and you just sit there and you think there's nothing wrong with that, seriously, they think that you are one of them. You's ugly as fuck. If you made it through this video, if you happen to make it through this video again, and none of these things apply to you, then make sure you share this. Drop a like, comment, and become a Polo. Subscribe to DeMarco Polo. It is the best time to become a Polo because we are just taking over the nation. We will be the best family on YouTube, trust me. If you know someone that looks like the brown part of a banana, make sure you share this with them. Tag them, retweet this, do everything in your power to get this video to that person. Let them know how ugly they are. Do not have them going into this world looking like Michelle Obama's armpit. Do not. I'm asking you, help them out, because I'll help you out. You my Polo. We Polos. We niggas like that. I'll help you. With that being said, Polo said with me, Polos, we in this bitch. If your mama had to explain to her coworkers why she didn't abort you 12 years ago, then you's ugly as fuck. Full of bug, mama, I got what you need. If you need to feel a buzz, I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love, so come give me